Yo, what's good, people? So today I want to drive the car since I didn't show you guys in the last video. Show you how it drives, show you its power, the engine capacity, and all that stuff. Let's go.
The f y'all looking at?
Let me get y'all a cold start.
Yeah, no, the cold start on this car is it's a bit much. It's a bit dramatic, but it rained yesterday, so hey, it's a bit dirty. Maybe I might just try to wash it,
As you can see, it's still hella cold.
I just let it warm up, and then you can take it for a drive real quick. Now me taking this car on the drive is kind of, it's always risky because no number plates, no bumper. If I get stopped by the police,
lock his ass up! Lock his ass up! You're going to jail! You're going to jail!
so this fan belt is still squeaking and stuff, but after a while it tends to go away. But until we can replace it, I'ma just rock with it. It still works, man. Okay, actually I made a mistake. It's not a fan belt, it's a serpentine belt.
Yeah,
But
let me let it warm up.
that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, I think the car is warm now, so actually let's hop in. We might as well.
Watch the blood clot, man. Watch out.
Swing, swing, swing-a-ling, swing!
Idling like it's a muscle car, but it's nothing like a muscle car. Anyway, it's not good. First,
Okay, so I have to find me a proper camera angle. Nah, that's too far.
actually,
I can just do it down here, man. Just stick it in, press it in. Slide it to the... Yeah.
I think that's good enough. We don't do seatbelts. Okay, wear your seatbelts. The seatbelt is broken, so I can't really do that right now. I hope it can do it. I hope you can hear it though. Man, this is cool though. So far the car drives. It's still got power somehow. Okay, that's because the engine is pretty good. Let me flip the camera. As you can see. Drive a menu with one hand. Your boyfriend can't do that.
So yeah, this is basically how it drives.
It's got a weird noise where the brakes squeak. If you can hear when I brake, I'll let you hear just. It's really faint though. But it's pretty. Well, okay, one thing that needs to be done here is the wheel alignment. The wheels are all messed up because these are not even the wheels for this car, as I said in the last video. But besides that, its power's still there. I wanna do something. Hold on. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall out. Myself in trouble, yeah. There's so many cars on the road. What's going on? But yeah, I wouldn't mind driving this thing every day. It sounds pretty nice. I can't even lie. Woo. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do something with the brakes. The idle is a little high. Oh yeah, this car doesn't have ABS. I don't know how, but the pickup is pretty good. Like, something real quick here. I hope I don't get in trouble with the YouTubes, but here we go. Look. Woohoo! Yeah. So there were some girls there when I did that. Ooh, I'm gonna get myself in trouble. Let me go home. Park it up. Luckily I'm inside the neighborhood only. I'm not leaving the neighborhood, of course. I can't do that with a car with no number plate. So I think I'm still good, but damn, I gotta do that again. Hold on. So I had to take a little break because there was a lot of traffic on the road and a lot of people looking. I live in a white neighborhood, so they like things. So I just had to lie low for a little bit. I'm just in front of my yard. But yeah, we go again though. Let's go. Yeah, I guess it might forward, but if it falls, it falls. Here we go. This thing is definitely gonna fall though. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's falling. Yeah, so that angle wasn't working because I'm using press stick for camera mount. So this angle will have driving it a lot. I don't want to bring too much attention to myself, you know. Let's try this out. Let's make sure this phone doesn't fly. Make sure nobody's looking. Tire smoke is intoxicating. It kind of stinks, but it's that good stink, you know. But I need to. Whew. Yeah, it smells. Oh, but let me chill out. Thing is, it's so easy to just do something stupid with this car. And I might just do something stupid with this car. Let's try this again. Yeah, let me go home. Let me go home. Is that what I think it is?
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Doing a lot of stupid things. I need to go home now. Otherwise, I get myself in trouble. Because these white neighbors aren't having it. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm gonna park this thing up, otherwise I got a little carried away because, you know. But yeah, and this car must still be in driving condition when I take it to the body shop to get its paint and everything. Park it up. So yeah, man. Yeah, I might need to close this door and not drive it for a few days, cause tires are even hot to the touch. Ooh, I like doing stupid stuff. Yep. Ooh. So that's how she drives, you know. Yeah, the fun thing about a manual is you can do all those crazy things pretty easily, but I don't recommend you do it. Some of you drive front-wheel drive cars, and front-wheel drive cars and spinning are for niggas in Umlazi. We in Centurion, so don't do it. But yep, that's how she drives. Now imagine that with a beautiful body. Hide your girls, man. So yeah, thanks for watching, people. We'll see what the next video does. The next video is probably gonna be when they go to the body shop to get its paint job and everything. Peace.